When it comes to tutorial websites, it's really hard to beat Khan Academy. And so that is the website that I'm going to focus on for my tutorial presentation. You can see over here, I've gone ahead and logged into Khan. It's really simple. You can either create a Khan login or you can log in with your Google login, your Facebook, several other ways. And so I've simply logged in with my Google login. And I'm going to focus on Khan Academy's test prep resources. Again, that's been the focus of my video presentations here. As a school counselor, test prep is something that school counselors often focus on, but I love that it has this social emotional learning area over here, careers, growth mindset, these life skills that school counselors are also focusing on. And it's so exciting to see that this social and emotional learning component has gained recognition on Khan Academy's website because it's a huge aspect of student learning. But again, we're going to click on SAT here. And let's go up here to the top while it refreshes. So we have our dashboard page here with all of its information and resources. Again, this could easily fall into that drill and practice or even simulation, but I'm going to focus on its tutorial aspects today. Here's where we could take a practice test. Again, these diagnostic tests in the area of math. And I could scroll down. We are in the math section. Tips and strategies for testing. And again, this is going to be, where students can read information about it. Full test, once I have taken the diagnostic, I can actually take a full test here. And this review, once I've taken either the practice or the full test, this is where my results would post. And that's what I would use to for this next portion, which is going to be the tutorial. Once I've taken that diagnostic, I want to go back and work on those areas that I struggled with or a student has struggled with. So we're going to come back over to our practice. And if we scroll down here, again, I would recommend doing this after a diagnostic had been taken, and that's why it follows the diagnostic section. But we're going to go and just click on this first option here, practice. And it's going to provide an opportunity to practice, but we want to watch the tutorial. So here is where we're going to find that tutorial. And simply click on play. The great thing about Khan is that all of their tutorials are very short, okay? We also, for those learners that maybe want to skip ahead, they have the transcript of the tutorial here. It's going to walk them through step by step the rationale, showing them how to solve the problem. And then again, we can go back to that practice and see if we, being the student, retained that information. I do have this muted here, so we don't have that also playing in the background, but unmute it. It's that simple. And we can see that this tutorial on solving linear equations and linear inequalities is a minute 20 second. Oh, sorry. I guess you maybe weren't able to see that, but now you can. So solving that linear equation is a minute and 20 video. So great resource. Again, if we want to go back, Heart of Algebra here, make sure we're all on the same page. Great. And again, I can go right down to the different topics. And there we are. And again, you can see 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Again, lining these up with the way that they would see this problem on the SAT. Again, when it comes to tutorial websites, it is very hard to beat Khan Academy. And it's a great resource for teachers to use in the classroom and to encourage students to use and navigate on their own in areas that they're struggling with. Again, we focused on test prep, but simply by clicking up courses here, we can see the different grade levels, different subject areas. We are in, here's our math, arts and humanities, science, and great. Get ready for that next grade level courses. And like I said, for the school counselor over here, the inclusion of those life skills and that social emotional learning concept. But again, great tutorial website, great drill and practice, and great simulation website all in one. Thank you.